Today we'll take a look at A4 Laminator from Temu. You get your user manual, cutter, corner edge cutter, and the A4 Laminator. These can be had for about $20 to $30, and check the links in the description. And that's pretty much it. Very simple, easy to use, plug and play. And you can purchase laminating sheets with varying sizes. Simply turn on the device and you'll have a red light, which means it's warming up. And about 20 or 30 seconds later, it'll turn green, which means it's ready to go. And from there, you can just slide in your laminating sheets with whatever it is you want to laminate and let it run it through. And once it comes out clear on the other side, you can see the final result. Nicely done. And now simply use your cutter to cut off the edges or in any way that you want it. And use the small corner cutter if you don't like to have those pointy, spiky edges, and that will make your corners nice and rounded. Check the links in the description on where you can get it, as well as laminating sheets. And I hope this video helps anybody who is curious about getting a laminator from Temu. It worked great, really affordable price. And if this was helpful, please give a like, share, and subscribe, as it really helps me out. And see you in the next video.